Last month, a conversation with one of our users highlighted a massive mistake that thousands of Indian households make completely by accident. This person had packed his parents, his spouse, and his young toddlers all into one single shared health insurance pool, believing he had built a perfect security blanket for his entire home. But when a single severe medical emergency hit, the entire shared amount vanished within days, leaving the rest of the family completely vulnerable for the remainder of the year. When you're looking to protect your loved ones, a generic, unsearched policy isn't a strategy, it's a massive financial gamble. Today, let's unpack how you should actually structure a family cover, count down the top 5 plans in the market for 2026, and help you find the absolute right shield for your home. Yes, hello guys, I'm Neel. You're watching Ditto Insurance, making insurance simple. Help us reach a maximum number of people by subscribing to us. It's the simplest way. Thank you for supporting our channel and helping us grow for this community. Before you even look at specific brand names, the absolute first step is deciding how your family members are split across your policies. The most common mistake is creating one massive family floater that covers 3 generations under a single pool. Because the premium of a family floater is calculated directly based on the age of the oldest member, adding senior payments to your own policy will skyrocket your costs while exposing everyone to high medical risks. The recommended approach is to keep a separate floater for yourself, your spouse, and your independent children, and by completely separate dedicated coverage for your aging parents so that one group's medical claims never drain the security of the other. Once you have your family structure locked in, you need to look at the top plans dominating our latest evaluation framework. Starting at number 5 is the SBI Super Health Platinum Infinite. This plan is highly favored by larger families or joint households because its floater structure allows you to cover up to 4 adults and any number of children under a single pool. It brings serious structural advantages to the table, including an automatic restoration benefit that scales up to 200%, a unique health multiplier that expands your cover for critical illnesses, and built-in maternity benefits up to 2 lakhs. The primary catch is that it starts at a much higher sum insured of 50 lakh, positioning itself as a premium flagship rather than an entry-level budget solution. Moving to number 4, we have Niva Bupa Reassure 2.0 Platinum Plus. This is an incredibly flexible, feature-heavy policy designed for modern families who love smart tech benefits, and it allows you to cover 2 adults and up to 4 children, packed with a signature lock-the-clock feature that keeps your age-based premium completely stable until you file your very first claim. It also includes a booster benefit that rolls your unused coverage forward to the next year up to a massive 5-time cap. The main consideration here is that their post-sales claim handling and administrative service can occasionally feel a bit document heavy, meaning it works best if you don't mind closely tracking your own paperwork. Sliding into number 3 spot is the Aditya Birla Active One Max. This plan has been gaining massive traction because it balances unique lifestyle rewards with strong medical underwriting. It supports a family structure of 2 adults and 4 children, covering non-payable consumables like gloves and masks by default. What makes it incredibly unique for families is its health returns program, which can give you up to 100% premium refund just for staying physically active. It also features chronic care options that can instantly drop your waiting periods down to 0 days for lifestyle conditions like asthma or high blood pressure, making it a very accessible gateway if anyone in your immediate family has a minor health history. Before we look at our absolute top 2 choices on the list, let me drop a quick checkpoint here. At Ditto, our consultation calls are entirely free. We give you completely honest and spam-free advice, and we're backed by Zerodha. If you ever feel overwhelmed by trying to decode these policy clauses or want someone to match a plan to your family's history, the link to book a relaxed chat with our IRDAI-certified advisors is right down in the description below. Coming in at number 2 spot is Care Supreme, which is widely recognized as a value for money powerhouse for young nuclear families, supporting a tight structure of 2 adults and 2 children. This plan is an absolute bargain for the price point because it delivers a clean base package with absolutely no room rent restrictions, 0 co-payments, and an unlimited automatic recharge benefit that refills your cover instantly within the same policy year. It functions beautifully as a highly modular product, meaning you can lock in a low starting premium and then attach custom add-ons to supercharge your bonus growth up to a massive 500% as your family budget allows. And finally, holding the absolute number 1 spot on our chart is the gold standard flagship for family protection, HDFC Ergo Optima Secure Plus. This plan allows a massive floater size of up to 4 adults and 6 children under one policy. It provides a massive 2 times cover advantage from day 1, an infinite cover benefit that automatically adds 100% of your base sum insured back to your shield every single renewal year, with absolutely no upper cap and built-in protection for non-medical consumables. It is a highly robust, straightforward layout where almost every critical protection feature comes fully built into the base package without forcing you to buy extra riders. To see how these 5 players actually perform when your family stands in a hospital corridor, their active operational report cards are appearing right now on your screen. You can easily evaluate their latest claim settlement ratios, annual business volumes, and customer complaint trends based on our updated data. Alongside these corporate metrics, the average annual premium layouts for different age brackets and family structures are also displayed on your screen. If you take a quick look at the pricing spread, you will notice that Aditya Birla and Care Supreme sit on the highly economical tier, offering a very budget-friendly sheet. On the other hand, a premium flagship like HDFC ERGO Optima Secure Plus charges a visibly higher entry premium in exchange for delivering elite customer support and maximum long-term claim comfort. Now, while looking at these charts and numbers on your screen is easy, filtering through all these specific floater clauses and preparing your documentation is where the real administrative headache begins. If you want to know what exact documents are required to secure a smooth family application or want a step-by-step breakdown of how the direct purchase process works, we've written an incredibly detailed guide on it. I will link that article in the description for you to review, and if you still have any doubts after that reading, you can always find us. This brings us to our final verdict, and as we always say, we never make blanket recommendations because every single household has entirely unique health timelines. If you are a young nuclear family shopping on a tighter budget and want a modern feature-rich plan that actively rewards a healthy lifestyle, evaluating Care Supreme or Aditya Birla Active 1 Max makes immense sense. However, if your primary goal is securing absolute long-term peace of mind, maximum family floater flexibility, and an ultra-smooth claim experience backed by the highest corporate benchmarks, spending the extra premium for HDFC ERGO Optima Secure Plus is highly worth your investment. Ultimately, the decision relies entirely on what your home needs to stay safe, and if you want an expert to help you audit your family's health profile face-to-face, click the link down below to talk to us. Until next time, happy insurance hunting.